Well, I'm here in St. Petersburg at the International House. I was in Colorado for a couple of months, and there really wasn't that much to shoot there to talk about. So now I'm in Florida. I've been here for about 3 weeks, and I was staying at my uncle's place for those 3 weeks, and then I've just arrived in St. Petersburg now, and I'm staying at the International House, which is sort of a community housing situation here in St. Pete, and it's just a beautiful neighborhood to be in. I'm a few blocks from the bay, and I'm looking forward to doing some fishing, getting some work done here, and hanging out in St. Petersburg. The weather's been really nice so far. Yeah, I'm hoping to also connect with some cool projects. I'm obviously involved in the Eco Village. I'm hoping to teach some workshops there and also help the people here, Chris and Joni, who are sort of running this place, and they're pretty connected to some pretty cool projects here. Chris is one of the main managers at the Eco Village. I just went there yesterday briefly, stopped by to see what had changed since last year, and it looks like they did a lot of work on one of the smaller buildings there that was not in great shape. And staying in Dunedin was nice. It was nice to have like a whole house to myself. But there just wasn't a whole lot of like social life there. And here, it's a nice community housing situation. So I've already met a bunch of people, and there's stuff going on all the time. So if I can get my work done, get it a little bit ahead of things, then I can spend some time enjoying myself and making some connections here. And they do have a kayak here, and since the water's really close by, I'm going to see if I can hook into some fishing around here. And I still have my crab traps. I didn't catch anything with them, but I'm hoping to set them out somewhere in the bay here, and maybe the crab situation will be different here. I went to the Asian food store yesterday to get some groceries, and I did see a big bucket full of live blue crabs, so I would guess that those were locally caught. I went to the farmer's market yesterday, got a ton of produce. Looking forward to making some good food, hopefully catching some fish. Unfortunately, I left 3 of the big trout that I caught last week at my uncle's house, and so I might have to get those another time, or just go up there and we'll eat some trout dinner together. But I'm hoping to catch more so that I can feed myself locally. So I've been thinking about this footage that I have from last year at Dancing Rabbit. A lot of times I take some video footage and I have an idea for a video that I want to do, but I either don't ever complete the process of getting the video that I need to finish the video, or it just ends up being kind of a short video, and so it gets orphaned. And so I have all this video footage that I took last year at Dancing Rabbit throughout the season of different things I was doing. And I was thinking maybe what I can do is, instead of giving you just updates about what I'm doing here in Florida, I can couple the updates about my life in Florida here with a little bit of Dancing Rabbit, and keep that hardcore sustainable life that I'm living at Dancing Rabbit going. I try to live as sustainably as I can here, but it's definitely not anywhere close to what life is like at Dancing Rabbit. So I just gave you the update on where I'm staying in Florida now, and I've got a little bit of footage now about harvesting corn back at Dancing Rabbit last season. Well, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give the video a thumbs up, and share it with your friends. And I'll see you next time.